In our first segment, we shared why it's important to create a positive work environment. Now let's review some of the characteristics. But first, if you didn't get a chance to see my first video, this entire series is available on my Daily Team Huddle YouTube channel, which I hope you subscribe to. And also, it's always available in the Daily Team Huddle resource guide. Now let's jump right into the topic by first describing the characteristics of a negative work environment. You see, it's one where employees don't work well together as a team, they're disrespectful, they don't care how their behavior impacts others, and subsequently, they don't perform their job at a high level. Also, in a negative work environment, there's typically low customer satisfaction, low employee morale, and high turnover. Why? Because the positive employees find it unbearable to work there and they end up leaving and quitting. Now, on the other hand, in a positive work environment, everyone works well together, meaning that if someone needs help, others immediately pitch in. Also, in a positive work environment, we understand that there may be differences in our way of thinking, in our culture, and maybe even in our way of doing things. But guess what? We value the differences instead of seeing them as a negative. So in closing, I'd like you to keep in mind that when we create a positive work environment, it results in high morale, high employee retention, and we end up working within a team or organization that is respected within the community and that everyone wants to be a part of.